everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today it is a blustery fall afternoon. We had a cool start to the day. We had a bunch of rain yesterday, so now everything just feels refreshed and the wind is blowing and the leaves are blowing and it feels like fall. So I'm excited to be up here in my office. I have another card from the Beautifully Organized in 52 Weeks card deck to share with you today. So stay tuned for that. Happy Friday and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. You might actually hear the wind blowing because behind you is the set of 100-year-old windows that I look out when I'm sitting at my desk. So they're not as insulated as something a little bit newer might be, but I love it. It's great to see that wavy glass and to see the fall leaves outside starting to blow around and change color. It's been so dry here, we haven't had a whole lot of leaves changing color yet, but I'm hoping to see some color changing soon as we drive through the hills in this area. But meanwhile, it is Friday. It's time to do our next card in the Beautifully Organized in 52 Weeks card deck by Nikki Boyd. So I'll have this linked in the description box down below. You can find the playlist. So each week I'm sharing just the next card in the deck. We have 52 weeks and we are on to week number 39. So we're moving swiftly along. And this week we're going to focus on our laundry area. So a few years ago, I kind of got on a kick and I was doing some decluttering and organizing, and I went through our laundry area, which is in our bathroom that's attached to our master bedroom, and just kind of zhuzhed things up. I got some containers from the dollar store, so all of the supplies are stored in coordinating containers. And then I found some free images off the internet and printed those out and put them in some dollar store frames and hung those on the wall next to it. So it made our laundry area feel a little more special, a little more finished, and just prettier as I was in that little corner doing the laundry. So for this week, it's time to tackle your laundry area, go through, do a deep clean and declutter, get rid of anything that you don't need, anything that's not working anymore, something you don't like and you're never going to use, see if you can pass it on or just get it out and get everything cleaned up. And then if you want to add back in some beautiful little touches, it could be some glass jars to store your laundry supplies in. It could be a few framed prints or these little framed laundry directions, which there's all kinds of versions of these out there. Just something to make your laundry space feel a little more beautifully organized. So I'd love to hear in the comments down below if your laundry space is right where you want it to be, or if you have some room for improvement and there are a few things you're going to tackle with it this week. Share your progress. Let us know how it's going. Don't forget to check out the playlist so you can see all of the projects we've done along the way. I will be back on Sunday for another planning video and Tuesday for my Tiny Tidy Tuesday video, and we'll tackle another box from the basement. I'm slowly getting my basement more decluttered and more organized, which feels really good. And before I forget, we're going to put week number 39, the card for week 39, back in the box. And that way we'll be all set for next week, which is week 40. So we are really counting down toward the end of the year. That means Christmas is around the corner too. I love seeing the leaves changing and the cooler weather. It's just fun to think that fall is definitely here. So I hope wherever you are, you're having a good one and enjoying the weather. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button on your way out. And I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one. Bye.